about to give them what they want.
Go Beastmode, dude.
I don't think they're ready for this, though. Beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode.
Let's run you off, baby. That toy is no one, bro. For Christmas, I want to see no toys that make noise. I want nothing but quiet toys this Christmas. All right. What's good, YouTube? You know who it is. Chris Jones, representing Pup Chasers, fam. Sunday fun day. Denise is out running errands. Brooke and I are getting a little hungry. You hungry, right, Brooke?
Yeah.
What do you want to eat?
Sandwiches.
Sandwiches?
Yeah, this serving is really annoying.
I'm thinking, man, I kind of want to go get a buffet.
No. I don't want buffets, mommy too.
With mommy? Okay, maybe when mommy come, we'll go to the buffet. Let's get something to eat. Firehouse time. You want a sandwich, right?
Big one.
I got the cookies right here. Cookies, okay. We got the chips, okay. Now get some drinks. What you want to drink? Come on.
How do you get two?
Kill I can. You got some money? You want to?
Yeah.
Where your money? There you go. Hold the button. All right, homies and homies. We're at Firehouse Subs. Brooke wanted sandwiches. Brooke got her grilled cheese over here. We got the grilled cheese sandwich for Brooke. Pretty good, Brooke?
Yeah.
I got me a Firehouse Sub, large. We each got cookies. Brooke got chocolate chip. I got like this white chocolate and sprinkles. Got our chips. You don't know what you're missing, Brooke. This is good, okay?
They're like nasty.
We're at the grocery store. Brooke, you can't even fit in this, can you? Let me see. So you want me to push you around in this?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll put this basket back. All right, so let's go ahead and get these groceries. I want some bananas. I've been doing sweet potato pancakes lately. I'm getting tired of them, so I'm gonna go back to the banana pancakes, all right?
Make some lemon juice or orange juice like a sale.
Go ahead, put it in there. You put it right here. All right. Let's pop this top. Make sure ain't no eggs cracked, man. Had some bad experiences in the past not checking the eggs first. There we go. It's been a while since I've gotten on that cottage cheese. Let me get back on this cottage cheese this week, man. Been looking for a late night snack. And sometimes I don't feel like having chicken late at night. I just want to have a little protein, like a little cottage cheese with protein powder, you know, mix it up a little bit. All right, you want those? Go ahead, go ahead and put it on top. And get back in the car. We are almost done. Putting the groceries away. Denise and I, we want to do a little Christmas shopping. Christmas is right around the corner. A few days from now. What's today? Sunday? Christmas is what? Yeah, today the 22nd, so Christmas is in 3 days. So do a little last minute Christmas shopping after we get these groceries out the way. Bam! All right, fam, check it out. Getting that Christmas spirit going. Got a little outfit here. About to do a little last minute shopping with the family. It got dark quick. I took a little nap. I ain't gonna lie. I took a little nap. But yeah, Brooke and Denise are getting ready. Let's get it. Gonna pick up some toys from here, some simple toys, drop them off tomorrow, all right? So we're getting some last minute things from Walmart, guys. Maybe even a little shopping, get some gift cards or something, all right? Man, what you got over here? What's that right there? Got some cookies. What do you think, Denise?
Yeah, we're gonna make those at Nana.
Let's get it, let's get it.
Those dolls.
Get a few of these dolls, some friends of the family. Gonna hook them up with some dolls and some bikes, okay? And then let's do some gift cards for everybody.
Yeah.
Just keep it simple. Where? Where?
Bigger ones. This is so cute.
You like that? Let me see this. It'll make noise. I told you about toys making noise.
That doesn't make noise.
All right.
It's dirty, all dirty.
So my truck is in the shop. I can't take these with me. What I'm gonna do is pay, have them pick it up. Can they do that?
Yeah, I think so.
So I can pay for them and they can have them in the back?
Yeah,
some
because
kind
we're
of
not gonna
voucher
fit in
to
the
come
car.
get them?
Yeah.
Okay.
So that they're paid.
Yeah, my truck been in the shop a while, guy. Got paid to get it lifted. The kit didn't fit, so we had to send the kit back to get the other one coming in. It's crazy, but hope it's worth the wait. Okay, we'll get 3 bikes and get out of here.
Alrighty, which ones you gonna pick?
I like this one right here. He a little dude. He little. You know,
He is
he's
small.
good, yeah.
Brooke, let's help Brookie. Brooke. Get over here. Pick out a bike.
Ooh, it's so cute.
Pick out a bike for one of the kids. Oh, you're talking about these? Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Raise up.
Yeah, sit on it. Let me see how you fit. They about the same. They about the same size.
Yeah.
I already know how to bring them back.
No, that one won't fit me. You want that one?
No.
What do you think, Brookie? Look at yourself. What do you think? Look at yourself.
I like it.
You see yourself? What do you think?
Good.
Look at us. Bam! A little barbecue action. What you got over there, Brookie?
Got ribs.
Got some ribs. All right, fam. Little barbecue before we head home. Check it out. I got some ribs, brisket, coleslaw, beans, potato salad. What you got over there, Brookie?
I got some ribs. Don't be jealous.
Don't be jealous. What you got?
Some brisket, some bread, potato salad, and macaroni and cheese.
Let's get it. All right, homies and homemakers, got home. About to watch some movies and wrap our gifts. Want to say bye, Denise?
Bye, guys.
Come here, Brookie.
Hi.
Thank you guys for watching. See you at the next video, all right? Bam. Almost forgot. A little dessert from the barbecue place. Got peach cobbler, and I threw some bluebell ice cream on top. Check out that Jamie Foxx special on Netflix. Bam. We need a moment of silence before we fuck up these weights.